Hello and welcome to day 62 of the 100 Days Challenge. Today I didn't have too much time, I just was doing some family things and I had some lunch to attend, but however I wanted to just continue doing a bit and I continued with adding the timer to the UI. So right now whenever the player plays each game you just have this boot screen, then when you open a level you'll have countdown 13, 12. Well, actually, just for the sake of this, I'll put back the 3 and then refresh 3, 2, 1, go. There are different things here. I've done that the position of the camera is fine because it was too high. So now, as you can see, it's a more appropriate view of the maze. However, it's still not fully centered. This is what I'm gonna be fixing tomorrow if I can. But yeah, I improved how it looks and also I added the counter on the top so that it appears here. Then I want to fix it to have it properly center the UI. But yeah, this is what I did. And in order to do so, what I did is in the level that it's the script that go for the main scene, I added the countdown level label reference that it's this label that was here where I was saying that use the joystick. So now this label is the, if we see it in a 2D view, it's just placed in here. And with that, I just have this label, then I ensure that it's visible in the ready, and then it's visible to false whenever it jumps into the, when it finishes everything. And what I do is in the countdown and switch that there was, so I just make sure that it has the proper values, and when I iterate every second, that until now I just had this create timer 1.0 timeout, I make sure that it updates the text to the proper value of the seconds. And also with this twin animation, I just ensure that it improves the modulation so that it just looks better instead of just changing the value. I've been trying different animations like moving from right to left, but then I was having issues with the centering itself, so I just ended up playing with the modulate alpha value that I am sure it just changes its opacity. So as you can see, it goes changing the opacity of each number. So 3, 2, it fades away and then it goes to the next. With this final go that whenever it finishes, I have this go in this green color, and yeah, that's all I do. So that's all I did today. As I said, I didn't have too much time, but I still spent almost an hour with different issues I was having, some like with the animations and fixing those minor things. And still I need to fix how it centers the map. To do so, I have this part that I've been updating to how to improve the size, and I need to ensure how to center this. So for example, I'll go back to the 15 seconds here to have it for longer time. So now you can see that whenever I click on the first game level, it goes like it has this extra space on the right. So what I'm gonna do is, for example, just to try out, I'll put a 1 on the X. So I don't know how it will go. Yeah, I think it's even more. So maybe what I need to do is add the web report this here like minus 2.0 oh, not 2, minus 1.0. Wait, yeah, so this is how it worked. I would like to understand why this happens. I would guess that it may be maybe the cell size per 2, or it can either be also because it's not a fully squared maze. So yeah, I'll need to look how it goes with different sizes, but yeah, we have at least the main scene created. And that's all for today. Thank you if you watch. If you are watching this, I would really appreciate any feedback, any like or subscribing, and yeah, I would be happy to answer anything in the comments. Thank you and see you tomorrow.